Zendrop Review 2025. Is it still worth using or you should leave it behind? So let's find out, and make sure to like and subscribe. Zendrop continues to be the one of the top dropshipping platforms in 2025, especially for sellers targeting the US market. But is it worth it? So let's start with the product sourcing. Zendrop offers direct integration with US suppliers, making shipping times faster than AliExpress. Their catalog is also curated and optimized for high converting items, which saves a lot of time for beginners. And now let's talk about shipping and fulfillment. One of Zendrop's biggest selling points is their fast shipping. If you're using Zendrop Select or Zendrop Plus, you can get access to 3 to 8 day shipping on many items, and that's a game changer for a customer satisfaction. Next is the automation features. They are solid too, with automatic order fulfillment, real-time tracking, and branded invoicing, while Zendrop makes running a store smoother. The integration with Shopify and WooCommerce is seamless. Zendrop also includes a product research tool and AI product description generator, which are great if you're running multiple stores or you need speed in launching items. On the downside, the free plan is limited. If you want fast shipping or access to US suppliers, you will need to upgrade. But if you're looking or taking dropshipping seriously, the paid plans could be worth it. So for overall, Zendrop is still a strong choice for dropshippers in 2025, especially if you're focused on speed, US shipping, and automation. So if this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more videos. Thank you for watching.